Happy New Year!
2016 promises to be a wonderful year for Toastmasters, particularly since for the benefit of visitors, our 1000th meeting is coming up on April 1st, and that's going to be a grand event. Today's theme for the day is actions speak louder than words. And I wanted to talk a little bit about it, particularly today, in the light of New Year's resolutions. And in this day and age, because of the internet, I really blame the internet for this. How many of us have actually made New Year's resolutions? Can you put up your hands? How many of us have made? And there you are. I prove my point. There are just 2 people in this room who've made resolutions. And you know why? I blame the internet. It's because the internet is full of statistics of people whose resolutions have failed, and there are lots of jokes flying around. And in fact, Forbes has quoted a statistic that only 8% of people actually succeed in their resolutions. So what's the point of making one? So I'm saying New Year's resolutions are words, and actually it's the actions behind the words that make them powerful. So I'm proposing today that we do make some sort of statement of what we're going to achieve during the year, each one of us individually. We're not going to call it resolutions, because resolutions, 92% of the time, you're going to fail. Instead, let's copy what the corporates do. You know what the corporates do is when they've decided something is critical to their success, they create something called KPIs. Who knows what KPI stands for?
Key performance indicators.
Right. What is a key performance indicator?
Shows us where we are based on our targets.
Right. So it's actually a percentage. You can actually work out a percentage, which is heartening, because a resolution is either a fail or a pass. There is no percentage. But if you know where you're going towards and you develop for yourself key performance indicators and measure it on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, then you've got something to work towards. So say I want to reach a target weight. What would my key performance indicators be then? Perhaps something to do with exercise. How many times did I exercise during the month? And every day I would check whether I exercised or not. Perhaps healthy meals. I would define a healthy meal and say, how many healthy meals did I eat each day? And I would check that out. And in such a way, I would keep track of my progress. So say I fail one day and I go out with my friends and I really eat. Does that mean that I've broken my resolution? No, because I'm not tracking a resolution. I'm tracking a KPI. And if I get only 30% this month, I can do a stretch target and say next month 40, next month 50. So I propose to you today that if you want your actions to change, and your actions to speak louder than words, start tracking KPIs. In fact, because I'm such an enthu cutlet, I actually made my KPIs. They're just printed out on an Excel sheet like this. And I've written what I'd like to track, and every day, at the end of the day, I track to what extent I'm successful. And at the end of the month, I'll make a tally. And I hope this way, I'll actually be able to get somewhere in me corporation. So anyway, today we have an interesting meeting scheduled, and I'm going to hand over the stage because we have an exciting array of things planned out for you, including a technical session where we're going to learn something, and I'm going to hand over the stage to a man who is a project manager at Base Technologies, and senior project manager at Base Technologies, and he is a chaprasi at the Sunday Science Club, which is run by his wife. So he reports into her there. So, can I call to the stage Toastmaster